It's like things all, you know.
/show/.
Thank you. On it. I can't even make fun of you. This was like literally my song, bro. Where is it? This one of them. I live in the middle of nowhere. Be gone. Oh, that was like 12 hours. Oh, okay. Oh! I will never make a man happy. Dude, I love when Taylor. Board like a lawn chair.
Best eaten, well done.
Gosh dang it. Screw you, Nintendo. $100 a month on YouTube is awesome. That I'm not.
Oh, look at this, I was walking down the...
Oh, it's a moon! There you go.
Había alguien faltando.
Uno más. Yuri! Yes! Gosh dang it. ¡Ah!
Chunguísimo, hermano.
I was a Vtuber. Bubure. I've been learning. And that's okay. And that's okay. Oh!
Muy bueno, me gustó mucho.
But if we are, I'll be there. And if we're not allowed to, thankfully she's not mad at...
Te amo grand.
Wait, I thought I already had that though. Buena suerte, Concha. That's all I got. Sorry, I wanted to be. I really wanted to be. Argentina.
Translation or editing. It would make me really happy to help you.
It went away. There it is. Okay.
I'm Steve. Steve.
Stylist.
You might win another $50. Number one? Okay, dude.
Time, so... Marina! Puto. Go somewhere else! Lo siento. Really would live like I am. Because... I'm really like, I don't... Okay. Lo siento. Lo siento.
And it looks...
Necesito pipi!
I just got...
No! Stupid. Brute. Butter. tu dinero, papi. 7 Español. Whoa, these mountains are huge. They're huge. Repito. Ah! You guys want to pick what we do today?
I love you.
I'm gonna get canceled. Why? Spanish? That one. So that means I have to learn.
And stopped taking them before I learned what ligma was in Spanish.
Pinche. Pinche puta. Ajolita. Ajolita puta. So I'm really excited. Yeah. Thank you for that, guys. Thank you! Round 1 is 1 hour. Round 2. With this, with nighttime, I'm gonna have a complaint. I think, weirdly enough, we're preparing.
Hola,
We're preparing.
saludos.
Ooh, okay.
She's ahead right now. She's ahead in scoring.
Then stay on your feet. Listen carefully.
He's alive!
Wait.
That was good. With a 70. So 70 is a passing grade. Stop!
Rosa Milano.
Go that way.
Yeah, that was good.
Let me see. Bless you. So we'll see how this goes. Bless you.
Es su casa!
Buenas
No!
noches, Eris.
Ask where places are located. Some guy just quizzed me.
Okay, they're coming.
Eh? Yeah, I think it's like more people. Oh! Gracias! Shh. Shh.
Use it always. Love you. Cushions.
Wait, where is the... More stools for the people, thank you. I appreciate it. Like, I think most of my regulars hate me. You know. You get banned if you say your opinion on peanuts.
For the 5th
Stop,
billionth
boss.
time.
Stop. The thing is... Saw him in the chat earlier. Get the frick out. Get out. Genuinely thinks I'm a man. Even if you have enough money in your bank account, what I do is I work until I make that money again. It's 5 points. When I come back, I want to like go through the presentation. Caca. I got that dog on me. It was really fun. A Tootsie Roll is bigger. The frick you mean? 6-foot alpha male. Gonna leave my print on this Go, go, go! Ah! Let's find a candy.
Hello, hello.
Bless you.
Full screen, ultra, VC. Yes.
I cannot do a single.
Panyal and me cool.
Yeah. That was a threat. What's your last name? Even kidding, Google it! You're a good person, man. Let's go. And I was like, I'm dropping out. I'm dropping. You want to know why, please?
Happens to you today? Unless the ice cream machine.
Because it's been a hot minute.
Wanna fuck?
It's on YouTube. A lot of fun though. I really like that. I really like that game. For good luck.
Hold on, Black.
What a revolution card.
Bless you.
Thank you, because I don't want to have to watch ads. It's like fantasy. Ew. That includes like when they're not with you. Like. You want to watch scare? Oh, okay. Good for him.
Nunez.
That wasn't me. That was literally me.
Says
So rude.
Like, quote,
It's about like half of a pull almost.
see them inside the hollow.
No carrot.
Chibidoki kid by Chi.
Hey yo, you can pass people. Like a mosquito trying to suck blood. If I tried to twerk it. Sorry. Any fun ones? Miku Miku Bear! Alright. Squeezing me out of your vagina.
Too young to go.
What? Cute, right? I see a lot of people are critiquing it. Don't let anyone tell you. Alright. 3! Sorry.
Bless you.
Sorry. $8 a month. And I thought it was mid. I'm not that old. I'm from 2000. I live in any area that's like relatively nice. There's only like a couple more. Need to go down a little bit.
Kiss me.
I will use this. Stop it. But yeah, thank you! She told me the other day, I literally do not understand. Sorry! Why are you scared of me? Are you homophobic?
Oh, trying a picture? The wand of illusion.
Up, dog!
Piss yuck.
That was for next. The volunteer! Or like the, oh dude, everything after was okay. It was fine. Not bad. We need to, feathers. They're great! Monkey.
Guided emergency drops might deviate. We'll drop you to the area near the base.
Any thoughts?
Like Chen said, we are operating on Shinbo Stockade's territory.
Time to put them down.
head smegma! What the frick? Wait, hold on. 2 to 3 hours.
I'm gonna need to grab another stick. There it is. Oh my god, I'm literally in your hand.
Spells on her?
I'm literally. Oh my god, I heard that. I think that's really admirable.
Lo siento.
Okay, he's in there.
My ankle? Oh my god! Well, what the frick is that, huh?
Crying out loud.
Alright. Your eyes are bloodshot.
This anomaly. Is
Lo siento.
Avon in this neighborhood? We keep in touch. Yes. Thank you for accompanying me.
Lo siento. That really scared me.
You want to loot first or go to the extract and wait? That boy, 10,000. Thank you. Oh
That
my
was for
god!
Captain.
I think we're okay. Fair. All right, you ready? No. That was it.
No. I. Let's just say that, boys.
Worked as someone that has lost 200 grand worth of stuff.
This is so cool. It's a chicken.
Connected to someone else's room?
Listen. It's on his period.
So, can you tell us the secret behind your reduced
Professor!
budget?
Oh, you're good, kitten. That guy out in
Lo
one
siento.
hit.
Thank you. Hello Kitty skins. What do I do? Guys. Guys. You play it on Switch, dude. In my corner of my room. Guys,
Happy birthday, Chalupa Dubba.
it's not my birthday. Oh, frick. Guys, I have too many cats. Wait, let's go talk to everyone. I already beat that level. Moral. Oh, I guess, like... Well, actually, that's not really that good. Vendetta. I'm sorry. I had fried rice. 5, 4, 3. The vet said was, holy crap, these cats are gonna be big.
Hey, what's up?
Hi! Thank you for the red angel. The best round. Okay, we're 8. Lo siento. I guess I have to. Emma laughed so hard. Sorry. Thought about pasta. Sorry. What the frick is happening? I was so locked in. Be what makes you happy, like, when it comes to your interests, you know?
To scrap.
Banner, this is coleslaw. Yo!
Crinkly binkly.
The first time it came out, and I did rank.
Better with a sword. Hello.
Watch, dude. Sadly. We'll be...
Do you know the song Jamie's Got a Gun? Jamie's got a gun. Do you think he took our boots?
Better listen to this one. Lo siento. You million...
What I can do.
Sorry. We have enough... Except... Everyone there except me speaks Spanish. 4 big guys. And they bounce on my eyes. What the frick?
Up we go.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm in that corner. There's no way. This is why we didn't get caught.
Sorry.
Where the fuck is it?
I didn't think to push the door. Me gusta. Me gusta. Thank you guys too directly. XP and Overwatch. AO hop on. Eyes are normal. Snipe us and say hi. By the way, hey, get banned earlier. Do you want to play more Galaxy today? Or do you want to play more Resident Evil?
It just looks really cool.
Oh, I'm so slow. I got it, guys. I don't stir. I will never start drama. It's lame. I like this little baby man. You know. Excuse me. Can you make it subs only so there's no spam? Nothing too dirty. Yogurt, it's already really sweet. Waiting for a code. Lo siento. It's like the button timer thing. Buenos dias! Buenos dias! Sonja! What flavor of jelly bean? I'm a thirsty little flower. And the only way you can water me is... I almost burped, but it was throw up.
Let's go 46 months slowly building up.
Are you Chibidoki?
Worried about their audio peaking when they go into your room.
Buckshot. That's one of the best games ever. Noah can hear me. It was like 1 minute, you know? Is wonderful. But there's a big difference.
Hey!
Oh! Ah! Sucking on this thing. Woo!
Objective A. Escort the payload. Tranquility. These phenomena.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I had half a burger today. Maybe I shouldn't get DPS. Buddy, it's... Bunny, shut the frick! What the frick is a camel? Super Monkey? Gameplay. Yeah. Yeah. Most gameplay. you. No, $0 off Twitter. Strictly copyrighted.
LLB.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Alright.
This is fun. Sorry. Check your DMs. Was I muted? Sorry.
So that's all I got to was that. That's it. That's it.
Guys, I said a couple times.
Has such impeccable style.
Why is she electric? He's gonna take me. Oh, I'm gonna kick your butt. Oh, don't look at don't look at my
Okay.
don't look.
My name is Angry.
Oof.
Oh, stick! Yeah, you want some? Okay. You like that? Winton. Here we go. Lo siento. Guys, how do I use a code?
Just run after the girl from now on. I'm more than happy to.
Yup.
That was only a dream.
I know!
Oh my.
That was for you.
Shut up.
Oh,
You
might
got
be.
fucking punched for this.
Do you have a moment?
Yes.
I would just... What, Pilates?
It's a triple chain. Terrible whenever, like... Ever. Give me like 25-second intro. 25-second intros once in a while, but he don't like you. Oh, lo siento. Don't ask. Very famous song by Cyril, same guy who made the hentai.
Yeah, did we believe
Shout
that
out
you
to
are?
her laugh.
Bless you.
It's better to hit the quota and then just leave. Honestly, the captain has him on captain. What do you think? What do you want to do?
Anybody else want?
Tom.
About Papa Doki lately.
No, it's creepy. I don't know why I do that. Finding the truth? Ow!
Well, I think Big Booty Latinas is pretty funny.
Oh, Jesus, I'm nervous. I'm sorry. I'll play as rap. With the green M&M in... Ah! Wow. Thank you for asking. How are you, Big John? But...
Yep. I'm waiting. Thank you for giving me Joe Biden's ball.
And also, if any of the ladies today made you laugh, I want to, like, stick to, like...
Chibidoki long one,
a
Chibidoki
collab,
long
like,
two,
once a week
Chibidoki.
and put it in.
strength in battle.
She's like Marilyn Monroe hair. You say bye? Oh god, it's coming. Yeah, it's been a hot minute. Yeah, oh 07. Ooh, that's cool. Aw, Chris. Hey guys. Lo siento. It's bad. It's a bad habit. Sombra's so pretty. I know. It hurts so bad. Sorry, disgusting. You have to. You have to. I want to see it. Yeah. Twerks when she wants. Like my mom. Like my mom. Nothing wrong with balding. I wish. Would I bring your kid once they're 18 on stream? Yeah, I don't care. ¿Cómo estás? Hola! Hola. Well, let's see what's in there. I shower, I clean myself, that's right. Yeah. I fixed it. Lo siento. Queso takes Viagra. Oh my god. Make another chest. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. But if I did, I hope I did. Oh yeah, we should do a glider. Lo siento. Thank you for the gifted subs. Gracias.
Yo.
Are you ready? Get it. Heck yeah. Looking at every horse's crotch. Detailed horse. A detailed horse penis. I'm not even nearly the size of that. We're winning by looking like a freaking tapeworm. Lo siento. Ay, qué horror. Ay, qué horror. I lagged a little. CS source.
I actually get this
Semi-regularly. Cállate. So he's gonna,
Holy shit. You know what?
What?
Yummy.
Sorry.
I really didn't want
Bless you.
My retainer broke.
Whenever you queue up ranked, every single person in your team is dog shit.
Buckshot.
You weren't even a fucking thought.
Should be good now.
There's bats over here I gotta deal with.
Do we have an alliance?
Hey, man.
What's up?
What do you contribute to this team?
Norfolk down here. Bless you.
Kudesai. Arigato. I think I'm almost done learning.
Ski.
This isn't that bad. Bathroom. I have to go piss my pants.
3.
a phrase in English. Meg. Oh, I don't need that. I get one. It's like, I'm gonna tell you guys.
Flashlight? Alright.
Oh my god, I'm nervous. Oh my god. Well. Alright. I'm gonna save your life. That's unsanitary. Sorry. So, easy win? Ah! Command.
Eardrum drum. Hi.
True. No! Oh, it's a penguin! Not very good at it. I have a thing where, you know, because we're gonna play Roblox today, and I think it's gonna be fun. That one, because I'm max, or did I?
I'm groaning.
Yep.
Do it. Matt, you look good?
Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm nervous. I have hemorrhoids. Ah! Ah! Show you the, like, side by side. So, like, here's my version, listen.
Tornadoes.
Inside or outside?
Nice. Everything
Oh,
orange.
Let's go team. Thank you so much. Hello. You know.
Hi, talk?